guys, my name is Paris Divine. I'm an artist. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys light and shadow in shading. So let's move on. This is a ball with no shadow, no light source, just a neutral ball. Now I'm going to switch on the light. So this is a ball with light and shadow, where you can obviously differentiate the light from the dark. So I'm going to be explaining on how I came to this spot. So let's start with this. Wherever there is a light source, there will always be a light and dark. Your first step is to identify the light source. So once you have done that, you will have in mind that any part facing the light source will be lighter, and any part facing the dark source, the shadow will be dark. So this will give you an insight when shading. So the next step is this one. You will notice that there is a slight of light shade in the dark part of the ball. It is caused by these two words, bounce light. So yes, light bounces off surfaces, making a light tint in the shadow part. Let's take a look at this object for example. You can see the light bounces off the surface on the object to give it a slight light shading on the dark part, on the shadow part. So yes, light bounces off surfaces. And also objects take the color of what is close to it. If the light is strong enough, you will see a slight of the color on the object. These are reflected colors. So let's move on to the light part. There are tones that make up the light part in the collection. It is called the bright or half tones. There are many bright or half tones, and I'll be discussing them in my next video. So please do it to like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification button so when I'm dropping it, you'll be the first to know. So let's move on. So after the bright and half tones, we have the light, which is the brightest section in the ball. After that, we have the highlight or drop light. It's mainly a small shade one that contains a huge amount of. So when shading, you don't give your shadings, your tones hard edges. Make them look stiff and all. You give it like a gradient or smooth texture, and this is called terminator. This is to make your tones joining points not visible. So let's move on to the foreground shadows. We have the occlusion shadow and the drop shadow. The occlusion shadow, which is caused by the contact between the ball and the floor, while the drop shadow is caused mainly by the direction of the light source. So here is a full diagram of the labels. So you can do well to screenshot this for reference purposes. You might need it, or you can also come back to watch it on my channel. Thank you guys, and also thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch more of my videos, please do well to subscribe, like, and most importantly hit the notification bell, because I'll be dropping a new video on how to apply it to your art with different techniques. So and you won't want to miss that. So please guys, subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you next time.